For my first sample board, I'm going to use a piece of Wenge. I've chosen it because it's highly, highly porous. I want to see what this product's going to do. To fill the pores, I'm going to use the GluBoost Fill and Finish blue label. Just put it on your project and then use a promotional credit card or some type of plastic squeegee to spread it around, making sure that you go get it down into the pores. I'm mashing it down in, working across the green as I go. Once you have it all spread, then I'm going to use the GluBoost accelerator to accelerate it. I like to scuff it with some 220 grit paper and then apply a second coat. Make sure you vacuum all the dust off of there. You want the dust out of the pores, that way the pore filler will go into the pores. And then I apply a second coat of the GluBoost Fill and Finish blue label. Doesn't take very much. And it's going to kick a little bit quicker because of that accelerant that I put on there on that last coat. So you got to work fairly quickly. You can also just work in small areas. If you're working, for example, on the back of a guitar, you want to work in a little smaller area so it doesn't set up on you before you get it all spread. At the very least, you want to work in a well-ventilated area as you use this, and you may even want to wear a respirator. And then once again, I'm going to hit it with the GluBoost accelerator to cure it very quickly. Before I apply any finish, I like to get all of the pore filler back off the wood except for the low areas, except for in the pores. So if you're one of those people that didn't squeegee it off very much, shame on you. You just created a lot of work for yourself. If you did that, take a razor blade and just knock it down. I then like to come in with my palm sander and 320 grit paper and sand it all the way back to bare wood. There should be no shiny spots when you're done. And then I finish with a sanding pad and some sandpaper with the grain to remove any sanding marks left from the sander. When you get done, you should have a board that has no dark areas on it. For example, if you had a little dark area here or here or here, that means you didn't get all your pore filler off. So make sure you sand it back so it's uniformly the same color. Hold it up to the light, eyeball it, make sure you have no low spots. You should have no shiny spots at this point. You're now ready for your top coat of choice.